Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to use the built-in needle threader on a Singer 4423. The secret is making sure the tiny hook is lined up correctly with the eye of the needle. To do this, adjust the needle position by turning the hand wheel on the right side of the machine. If the hook won't go through, you will need to realign the needle. Once aligned, you will push forward on the lever to send the hook through the eye of the needle. Now let the threading begin. Loop the thread over the top and under the thread guide, making a number 4 shape. Finally, place the thread behind the hook, pull back the lever, and the needle will thread. Voila, magic! I hope this tutorial helped, and make sure you follow Swan's Radiant Wigs. Bye!